Hello. Welcome back to World Gist Mega TV. My name is Amira, your presenter today. Breaking news. Portable the Zazu Mater hails the Nigerian government. Seizing, after God is the government. News and details. Title: Nigerian music sensation Portable appeals for forgiveness to the EFCC, a redemption story. In a nation pulsating with vibrant rhythms and infectious beats, Nigerian music star Portable has found himself in a somber melody of regret and redemption. Known for his electrifying performances and catchy tunes, Portable has captured the hearts of many across the country. However, recent events have cast a shadow over his illustrious career as allegations surfaced regarding his involvement in practices deemed disrespectful to the Nigerian currency, the act of spraying money or trampling on the naira notes during public appearances and music videos. In a poignant plea to the Nigerian government and the Nigerian people, Portable has humbly expressed remorse for any offense caused and fervently requested forgiveness. Through heartfelt messages shared on his social media platforms and public statements, he has conveyed his deep regret for his actions and sought to make amends for any disrespect shown towards the national currency and its significance. Understanding the gravity of his actions, Portable has made a solemn promise to mend his ways and abide by the laws and customs of his beloved country. He has pledged to refrain from engaging in activities that could tarnish the reputation of the Nigerian currency or undermine the authority of the government. In a sincere plea for clemency, Portable has implored the government and the Nigerian people to grant him a second chance, vowing to rectify his behavior and become a positive role model for the youth. Acknowledging the influence he wields as a public figure, Portable has expressed his commitment to using his platform for constructive purposes, such as promoting financial literacy and responsible citizenship among his fans and followers. He has pledged to collaborate with relevant authorities to raise awareness about the importance of respecting national symbols and upholding the values of integrity and patriotism. As supporters of Nigerian music and culture, it is incumbent upon us to extend compassion and understanding to Portable during this challenging time. While his actions may have caused disappointment to some, it is essential to recognize the sincerity of his apology and his determination to rectify the situation. Forgiveness is a cornerstone of our society, and by extending grace to Portable, we demonstrate our belief in the power of redemption and the capacity for growth and change. In conclusion, Portable's plea for forgiveness serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of upholding respect for our national symbols and institutions. It also underscores the transformative power of humility and accountability in the face of adversity. Let us rally behind Portable as he embarks on a journey of redemption, and let his story inspire us to strive for a brighter and more harmonious future for Nigeria and its people. Wow! This guy is very smart. What is your thoughts about his moves? Please make your comments. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next updates. Bye for now.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody